How to set up C++ in Visual Studio Code. Ready to start coding in C++ using Visual Studio Code? In this quick tutorial, I show you how to set up your environment for C++ development. Let's get started. First, if you haven't done so, download and install Visual Studio Code from code.visualstudio.com. It's available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. You'll need a C++ compiler to run your code, so for Windows, install mingw by downloading the installer from mingww64.org. During installation, ensure you select the option to add it to your system path. For macOS, you can install Xcode command line tools by running xcode select, install in the terminal. For Linux, you can install the G++ compiler using your package manager like sudo apt install G++ for Ubuntu. Next, open Visual Studio Code and go to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon in the activity bar or pressing Ctrl+Shift+X. In the search bar, type C or C++ and install the extension provided by Microsoft. This extension adds essential features like IntelliSense and debugging support for C++. Now, let's create a new C++ file. Click on File, New File, and save it with a .cpp extension, for example main.cpp. And in this file, write a simple C++ program like this one. This program will display Hello World when running. To run your code, we need to configure the build and run tasks, so go to Terminal, Configure Default Build Task, and select C++, G++ Build Active File. This will create a tasks.json file in the v8.vs code folder. Add configuration and choose C++. This will create a launch.json file for debugging. Ensure that the program path points to the output file from the build task. Finally, to build and run your C++ program, press Ctrl+Shift+B to build the project. After a successful build, go to the Run and Debug view and click the green play button to run your program. And that's it. You've successfully set up C++ in VS Code. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching.